Hello guys, let me show you how to make these ruffle sleeves with organza fabric. First, you should cut out a basic sleeve, then you fold in the hem to stitch. Then you cut out your organza fabric into pieces. I already cut out mine and the height is 9 inches while the length is 60 inches. I used 1.5 yards of organza and I was able to cut out 6 pieces with it, which means 3 pieces will be on each sleeve. Next is to go over to the sewing machine to run a loose stitch at the top of this folded piece, and you do the same thing to the remaining pieces. Afterwards, you pull on one of the threads to make gathers, and then you do the same thing to the remaining pieces. This is what you should have when you are done. The next thing to do is to stitch this to the basic sleeve you cut out earlier. The first piece should be ½ inch above the hem, and this is how you stitch it. When stitching, make sure to arrange the gathers so that it will be properly placed. For the second piece, it should be at the tip of the first seam. Place it at the tip, then stitch it down. You should have something like this after stitching the first and the second ruffles. For the last ruffle, it won't be stitched like the first two, rather it will face inward, the seam will face inward, and it will still be placed at the tip of the second seam. And this is what you will have after stitching the last ruffle. To cover up the seam, you have to top stitch on the last ruffle this way. When you are done top stitching on the last ruffle, go ahead and close the side of your sleeve, and this is what you will have afterwards.